Good afternoon. Today I'd like to show you something that a lot of us haven't seen in a while, but this is a professional calculator. It can do anything you can think of. It can give you percentages. It can change if you accidentally meant plus instead of minus. It will do square roots, divide, times, plus, minus. It actually has memory, so you can memory plus, memory minus. It'll show you the grand total. One thing I really love about it, it actually will run off of solar panel. So if I block all the sun on it, it actually has a battery in the back, super easy to change out. But if not, it will run off that solar panel, which is nice. So super easy, off is off, AC turns it on. And then these little marks up here will actually help you round up, round down, or don't round at all. So, and then again, cool function is this will actually tell how many decimals you want to keep. So if I say 54 point and then put in a bunch of decimals, if I say plus 5, it's going to keep all those decimals because it's on full. If I only want 4 decimals, I'll put it on that. It will, or if I go down to 2, it will take care of everything else. Let's do it again. A couple decimals, add 42. And it will keep only 2 out of the 3 that I put in there. So that's a really cool function that you don't really see on your phone, of course. But super professional. You can do anything. So let's say I want 10% of 1500. There's 1500, which I love the double zero button. And I'm going to times it by 10%. It's 150. And it automatically has that decimal in there for you. So if you're an accountant, if you just like counting things, then definitely check this out. It will be a great addition to your desk. So let us know what you think and enjoy.
Hey everyone, I'm here showing off this really cool vintage looking electric calculator that I recently got off Amazon. This thing obviously has everything you'd want from your usual calculator. What I really like is from right here you can see you can charge it with being solar powered, which is cool, and it also has a little spot on the back where you can put just one single AA battery that charge it, and it'll last a super long time. But yeah, I'll go ahead and go through kind of what each button does and stuff. Obviously you got your on and off key. If I hit off, it'll turn off, and AC will turn it back on. I've got your clear error key. If you're to do something that's not possible, divide by 0 or something, it could be bop. It'll say error, you'll see a little E, and then just hit the clear error thing, and then do that. And then you're already good to go. You got your plus and minus, your shift key. So if you were to do 3 billion plus 5 something. Oh, see, I already got an error because it was doesn't even know what that number is. If I do something real big plus something even bigger, it'd do that, and it'd be too fit to even fit on the screen. So you'd hit the shift key, go all the way up to the 23, yada yada yada. Really cool. I wish I would have had this back in high school. That would have been nice. You got your grand total button, which is good for adding multiple functions and stuff. Your mark up and your mark down, which is right there. Your memory plus key and your memory minus. Basically what that's gonna do is if you were to hit 2 plus 2 and do that, and then hit memory plus and then hit equals, it's just gonna add another 2 because that was the last thing that you used. Do it again, and forever and ever, which is cool. And then the minus, the memory minus will behave the exact same way. The memory recall button, which is MRC, which is right here, should, if I were to do a function, I could just recall it by clicking that button. And then what's really neat, this one I like the most, it's called the rounding up and rounding off. So if I were to want to round down each function, I could just do that. If I want to just give me the straight number and not round up at all, put it in the middle where it says 5/4. And then if I want to round up each decimal place, I can leave it on that. So that's really handy. That's probably my favorite button on this one. And then your decimal selection key, that'd be helpful if you had a big amount of selections. You can choose which decimal place you want to place. So that's really cool. And yeah, that's about it. It also has all sorts of little buttons your negative and your divide, your little I cannot remember what that button is called. But all your simple mathematical functions that you're going to want to use. and really, really cool. It got this like cool like vintage sort of look, which I just like, I don't know, weirdly adore. Really cool to just like keep around. Highly recommend this for like Amazon, or to get this off of Amazon. Really high quality. All the numbers are really like snappy and stuff. So yeah, definitely go check it out.